Replacing windows in your home is a significant investment that can improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. However, many homeowners in Des Allemands run into unnecessary challenges because of simple yet costly mistakes. By understanding these common pitfalls, you can make sure your project runs smoothly and delivers long-lasting results. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes is selecting a window style that doesn't fit your home's architecture or climate needs. For example, opting for single-pane windows may save money upfront but will not provide the insulation needed for Louisiana's hot and humid summers. Similarly, choosing windows that clash with the style of your home can hurt curb appeal. Always balance design, function, and performance when deciding on the right type. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Energy-efficient windows are not just a trend, they're an investment in lower utility bills and better comfort. Many homeowners overlook features like low-E coatings, double-pane glass, or insulated frames. In Des Allemands, where summers can be sweltering and winters occasionally chilly, ignoring these options can lead to higher energy costs and discomfort indoors. Look for Energy Star rated products to ensure your windows are designed to handle local climate demands. Focusing only on price. It's tempting to choose the least expensive option when comparing bids, but going with the lowest price often means compromising on quality. Cheap windows may have weaker frames, poor seals, or limited warranties. Similarly, a low-cost installer may cut corners during installation, leading to problems such as drafts or leaks. Instead of focusing solely on price, consider value, what you're getting in terms of quality, durability, and service. Overlooking professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform well if they aren't installed properly. A common mistake is assuming that window replacement is a simple DIY project. Without the right tools, knowledge, and experience, you risk issues like gaps, water intrusion, or misalignment. In the humid Louisiana climate, improper installation can also lead to mold or rot around the frames. Hiring experienced professionals ensures your windows are sealed and fitted correctly the first time. Forgetting about maintenance needs. Not all windows require the same level of upkeep. Wooden frames, for instance, offer timeless beauty but demand regular painting and sealing to prevent rot in humid environments. On the other hand, vinyl or fiberglass windows require far less maintenance. Many homeowners forget to factor in this ongoing responsibility, leading to frustration later on. Consider how much time you're willing to commit to care before making your choice. Skipping the permit process. In some cases, local building codes or homeowners association rules require permits or approvals before window replacement. Skipping this step can lead to fines, delays, or even forced removal of newly installed windows. Homeowners in Des Allemands should check with local authorities or their WA to ensure all regulations are followed before starting the project. Neglecting the details. Small details make a big difference. Homeowners often forget to consider features like screens, hardware finishes, or grid styles until after installation. By then, it's too late to make adjustments. Think through how you want your windows to look and function long-term before placing your order. These finishing touches can enhance convenience and add charm to your home. Not planning for the future. Windows are a long-term investment. Choosing styles or materials that only meet your immediate needs can lead to regret later. For instance, if you plan to sell your home in a few years, selecting windows that boost resale value is a smart choice. If you plan to stay, investing in higher quality options may save money over time. Always think about how your decision fits into your long-term goals. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Des Allemands can add comfort, beauty, and efficiency to your home, but only if you avoid common mistakes. By selecting the right window type, prioritizing energy efficiency, hiring professionals, and paying attention to details, you'll ensure your investment pays off for years to come. Taking the time to plan carefully today will save you stress, money, and headaches in the future.